Okay, so this is trade recap for the day. All right, let's get straight into it on my bias and everything. All right, so pretty much start on the 4 hour. And I saw that we were respecting this balanced price range, which if you don't know what a balanced price range is, it's when you get an IFVG and then a new FVG forms. Okay, so this is a balanced price range, right? And we respected it. We got a good displacement candle off of it in the form of this 1 hour bullish inversion for value gap. Okay, so my bias was bullish. And what I really wanted to see happen at open was for us to come down, tap into this discounted 15-minute, take out some low resistance liquidity, and then probably target this 5-minute internal high right here. Obviously, that's not what happened, and we ended up having not the greatest PA that it would look like. So there was two trades you could have taken, in my opinion. The first one would be a 5-minute retrace. All right, so we come up, as you can see, very bullish on the day. We displace past these highs, this 15-minute internal high, just like this, right? What could you have done? Waited for a retracement back into the 5-minute gap right here. And as you can see, you see that retracement. You could have entered long off of this IFEG. Probably put your stop at the low and then targeted the high right about there. Again, you would probably have to put your stop loss at that candle body, and it would have got break even. So RIP if you took that, but that was honestly a good trade as we were really bullish on the day. Let's get into the trade that I ended up taking, okay, and why it failed. So I took this 2-minute inversion for value gap right here, this 2-minute inversion for value gap, and I went break even at the 15-minute, as you can see right here, break even at the 15-minute, and then I was targeting this unfilled 5-minute for value gap. So a mech model, to be more exact, right? We came up, tapped into this bearish 1 hour gap inside of equilibrium right here. So I was like, cool. We're in EQ, tapped to a higher time frame PD array, and we're rejected. So what I want to see happen, we came up, ended up re-sweeping this high, put it in SMT, really good sign, and then we took forever, honestly, to inverse this gap. So that's why I took it on the eval. Or if you could see, I took it on the eval, obviously. So that's why. But because it just price action was super choppy today, and I didn't really like it. Usually we should get a strong inversion, and then that would be sort of the play for the day. You know. But besides that, SMT at the highs, obviously went break even at the 15-minute. Price kind of just chopped around, and then we ended up just pushing higher. So, can't really do much about that. Was it a bad trade? No. Was it the best trade? Not really. If you took no trades today, props to you. This was not really a great day for trades whatsoever. So tomorrow we'll collab back. We'll get a better trade. Hopefully we get some more profit on this funded account. Looking to get a payout in the next week. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I will continue with the bootcamp videos. I was resting over the weekend. But yeah, now I'm locked in. I'm ready to get back into it. All right. So that's the trade recap, guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, boys.